We decided that you should be one of the very first Grewcock scholars ever.
Wowzer. Wow.
Oh my goodness. I was like, oh my goodness.
I was not expecting that today.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
The inspiration for the Grewcock Presidential Scholars Program has been, I guess, my long history at the Kiewit Company in understanding that it's all about leadership. We've structured this program in a way that will supplement their great technical education.
With this comes a developmental kind of transformational leadership experience where you go from here to there and graduate with a toolkit of leadership experiences and awareness and understanding that really differentiates you from anyone else.
This speaks to what I wanted to get done in school, just in college in general.
I'm really excited for the program, and I think the leadership part is actually very interesting, and I think it'll be fun.
I was really excited about the community that you guys are creating and like the special experience that I was gonna be able to have through that community, and getting to get that leadership training to help me hopefully enter the job force with that leadership experience. That is still what I'm most excited about.
People, younger folks sometimes will ask me, you know, what's the key to success, whatever, and I say, well, if I have to just give you one thing, just work hard, and life will pay you back and you will be rewarded in so many different ways.